Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so we're going to have a look at gold in this video. And the reason why I'm looking at gold is gold has broken out, and it's very, very, very likely now that we're likely to race up and probably even break to a new high for the entire year. We did make a new high back up here at 1340, but due to the fact that we had this nice, you can see this triangle pattern, right? See this nice triangle pattern through here? So we've got that, I've got this nice support line through here, and then we've got this nice sort of trend line through there, and look where the market bounced. Where did the market bounce? That's the 50% level, right at that 50% level, and then now it's actually taken off to the upside. So right now we're getting a very nice strong breakout, and so I would say we're likely to get probably back up, even probably back up towards these highs up here. I would say of 1360. Now, if that doesn't hold, then oh my goodness, this is going to be the start of a nice big move in gold. And because we've been down in this sort of low level for a long time in gold, that'll be the start, I do believe, of a big move to come when it comes to this movement here, right? So we have this nice big long sideways movement, and you think about this entire sideways movement, it's all this sideways is like one big energy field, right, or an energy source, and it's just building up and building up. And so therefore right now we're getting a nice move up, we're getting a nice higher low. If we start to break here, it's likely to be fireworks in the markets, right? We are likely to see fireworks, meaning in silver and gold. And once this breaks, it's going to be all hell, not all hell. It's going to be a nice big move up, and we're likely to see a move up. Now, remember, when I say a move up, I don't mean a vertical spike like this. So you better get in right now. I'm going to buy short-term options, all that sort of stuff. No. How does the market work? Remember, right? We may go for a nice run like a big move up like that, right? But what's likely to happen? Then we're going to have a nice big pullback. Maybe that may happen remember, we're looking at the weekly chart here, right? So we may go up for a few months, and then it pulls back for a month or two, and then it rests, and then it goes for another run, and then it may go sideways and then go for one. Do you know what I mean? So please don't ever put on a position, think you're going to get lucky to capture a big, massive spike in the markets, because that's just not how it works. So right now, big energy field, there's a real big difference. Silver is just not doing anything right now. So there's just nothing to report on silver. Silver's weak as all hell. So if we start to break, if we hold here and break above $16 in silver, then that could be the start of a nice move back up towards 22. But it's the gold chart that I'm looking at right now, and oh my goodness, guys, very strong move up, strong buyers, weak sellers. So more through this entire sector through here, we have the buyers in control. So we have this strong buying move, weak sellers, which simply means buyers in control. So we're likely to get some more strong buyers coming out of this. And especially right now, we're getting this breakout. Very, very, very probability we're now likely to see a nice move in gold over the next week or two. Hey traders, thanks for watching my YouTube video. You know that there's a lot of areas in the trading arena, right, for you to become a good trader, right? There's the trading systems, there's the chart reading strategies, there's the foundations, the mindset, and there's so many areas, right, you need to really understand in order for you to become a good trader. So that's what I've created, the Master Trader Lab. I put everything in there for you to become a really, really good trader, and I'm giving you a free trial. So if you go to mastertraderlab.com, and you can grab a free trial to this and start learning the chart reading strategies, the trading systems, the mindset, so much more in there, and start to learn the skills to become what I call a master trader. So go to mastertraderlab.com.